guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pari Sky Pass. Today I am here in San Francisco, so let's go and explore the city. I will show you some of the must visit in San Francisco, so let's go guys. So guys, it's 8 a.m. in the morning, starting the day really early, so we get the whole day. I'm going to take Uber, but there are lots of buses which can take you everywhere around the city. You just can look up in the Google and you will find a bus number, hop into the bus. It's very cheap to take a bus and you can roam around. So yeah, first stop for today will be Golden Bridge Gate. It's very iconic red bridge. It is shown in many of the movies in Hollywood, so yeah, it will be nice to go and personally see it. So let's go and explore. I hope today it's not cloudy, because I heard that if it's too cloudy you cannot see the bridge properly. So just fingers crossed, and hopefully I can see the bridge properly today and show you guys how it looks like. So yeah, let's go guys. I got my breakfast, some yogurt, muesli, brownies, and the coffee. This is my hotel lobby. I'll have some breakfast before my friends come here, and then we'll start the day. Guys, so change of plan because the weather is not very clear, so we are going first to the Lombard Street. So our taxi is here. So we are going to the Lombard Street now. What happened? Can't sit in the front?
No.
Can.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know how to put it in the front.
It's okay, we sit here, all three of us. Yeah, he's going in the front. Oh, this is scary. This is scary. Oh,
I know.
Roller coaster. Wow.
Good, thanks so much.
Okay, thank you. I'm standing on the top of Lombard Street. It's a zigzag street, the most curviest street. And yeah, I'm on something. Let's go. Look, so cute, pretty houses. Okay, I'm going down now. Hey! Oh, I don't know if you can see the curve from here. It's downhill, and this is how you park the cars. Cute house. You can see it's up high like this, and started little drizzling. So, oh, I can see the bridge from here. The bridge. There is the bridge. Is that the one? No, I'm not sure. Imagine, it will be so much fun to drive here. You can't speed, but early morning exercise. First we went down to see the curve and couldn't see much, so we came up again. It's the curviest road in San Francisco. So it's very steep down there. Amazing. It's like garden. So pretty flowers. This is fun. It's going down. Going down here. Now it's starting to get busy. Now I can see cars coming back to back. This is for you guys. It's called Lombard Street.
Amazing, Habibi. Thank you. Hi, baby.
How old is he?
Ya va a estar como 5 meses. 5 months.
5 months.
5 months.
I see food. Wow, that's a big shop.
Yeah, that's all.
When you come to a new destination, you definitely need to come souvenir shopping and have to pick up something. So it's a big shop here. So let's see what can I pick up. Normally I do pick up fridge magnets. Alcatraz, it's a famous island prison. So guys, we are going here but later in the afternoon because it's really gloomy outside. That's Alcatraz, the famous prison, island prison. Nice! So this is the famous cable car.
We need to go.
Up down. I think we should go for a ride. What say guys? Do you want some prison dress? It's in fashion now. Prison, Alcatraz, and some souvenir. This is the main attraction. This is the famous Boudin sourdough. So we are going here to eat now. But this is what we have to eat if you come here. Clam chowder. Costs you around $10.59.
Hot bread coming through. The chef is ready. Grab teddy bear. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear is sleeping. Guys, up close, the fire truck. It's so cute. And very oh my god. Look at the pressure gauge. Wow. So guys, another free things to do in San Francisco. Nice, I want to do that. Okay, Pier 39. So this is again free. So you just come, walk, and you can see there's a lot of more. There are lot more souvenir shop here. Some tour, if you want to book some tour over here. You have all this skyline sightseeing, woods cruise, and 7-day experience. I don't know what that is. Looks like a carnival. handsome. We have 6 packs. So let's walk this side and see what's there. And you come to Pier 39 and you can see the sea lion. We'll go closer to that. And then there is the Golden Bridge. But this is not the spot we want to see from. We just came to Pier 39 where you can see it from here if the weather is clear, but we'll go to another spot too. Can you see anything? So cold. You can't see the complete bridge from here. You can also take a tour to the Alcatraz. You can go inside and the jail is open for public to see inside, but today I'm not going because we don't have much time. So yeah, there it is. It's like a half-day tour, so look at them, so close. Here are all the Romeo and Juliet's love locks. I love my family. That's cute. We are at the Battery Spencer viewpoint. So this is the parking and we have to go hiking a bit. Let's walk and we will go to the top so we can see the full bridge completely. So we're gonna go some hiking over here. It's cold, drizzling a little bit, but visibility is okay. Hey. That's the bridge behind. You can see a sneak peek. Steps. Wow, that's so pretty. We are going on top there to see the bridge from top so we get a clear view. Okay, I'll stop my video here, walk, and once we reach the top, make a video. Hi. Hi. We should have asked them if they got a good view. I was scared of not being able to see it, but now it looks like the weather is clearing up. Yeah, we are burning the bread which we ate before.
Burning the calories.
Burning the calories now. The bread. Golden Bridge coming for you. So I have friends, so I could take Uber so we can share the bill. We were dropped off there, and here, look, the bridge is very close to me now. And I'm gonna show you the view. See how lucky we saw the bridge. Look at this. Wow. This is amazing. Thank God we have a view and it's not behind the cloud. It's very windy, guys. Of course it's on top, so look at this. Wow. Amazing view, good day. Finally, it was drizzling a bit before. I thought I will not be able to see the bridge, but yes, we did it. So here you go for you, the bridge of San Francisco. Thank you so much. You are the best. So guys, this is another side, another view of the bridge. Oh my gosh, people are so romantic. Too much. If you know this couple, say hi. That's love. So that was San Francisco for you guys. I had a lot of fun here. It was amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And I will see you with another video very soon.